Welcome back to our channel. Midjourney version 6 is a powerful vehicle for imagination. Once in the Midjourney boat, you can imagine anything from graffiti art to fine art. Imagine photorealistic images and abstract colors and textures. You can easily imagine and create renditions of events that have not existed, such as Paul McCartney singing on stage with Beyoncé. Today, we're going to put individuals in less likely situations for their character and examine how Midjourney both composes and portrays these situations and roles. I'll include a link to a free document with all the image prompts discussed in the video. Before I start, a helpful reminder is that Midjourney composes main subjects in the same prompt differently, as aspect ratio and image orientation settings change. I'll focus today on a 1:1 or square aspect ratio for simplicity, but I will occasionally widen the results to see more of what Midjourney might have in store for us. All of our individuals will be fictitious or historical characters you should recognize, who will bring their own cultural or other character influence to the scenes. We begin by imagining Cleopatra as a DJ. Notice how Midjourney frames up the shot in a square aspect ratio. It is quite nice. Here's a tip. Let's say that you like how subjects are framed in square aspect ratios, but you occasionally want a wider version. You can easily obtain wide horizontal results whenever you wish, using custom zoom. Simply select the custom zoom button. Specify the aspect ratio you'd like and change the zoom to a power of 1. Click the submit button and you're on your way. Now you retain a beautifully centered subject with additional results at the edges. Next up, Darth Vader is portrayed as a DJ. He is levitating our 2D2 above the soundboard. Nice touch. We find Wonder Woman working as a barista in a busy coffee shop. Not to be outdone, the Terminator tried his hand at brewing coffee as well. Please don't forget to leave him a tip. This next guy wears hardware that really cooks. So here is Iron Man as a chef on a cooking show. Count Dracula is trying his hand at cooking as well, something he can sink his fangs into. Next, Cleopatra is living her dream as a yoga instructor. She'll get her followers into shape. I think her picture deserves a wider image as well. Yes, that's a nice one. Look at this. Hulk has embraced yoga and is teaching us how to focus. Nice going, big guy. You may have wondered how Bruce Lee would do on Dancing with the Stars. Looks like a natural to me. And, of course, Wonder Woman isn't so bad at dancing herself. Alice in Wonderland is in her own special world, dreaming of life as an auto mechanic. The Flash seems to be really into it. And Super Mario looks very natural in the auto shop. I think most elementary school students would say that Catwoman could be their teacher any day. And I'd love to see Batman try his hand at teaching. No villains or delinquent students will get past him. Spider-Man is a natural as a social media influencer. He looks like he loves being in front of the camera. Captain Marvel is not so bad herself. I'm loving those sunglasses. Freddy Krueger is trying out a new gig as a street performer. Barbie is a street performer as well, showing off her musical talents. The Terminator is using his vast knowledge to earn some cash on Jeopardy! And Cleopatra is breezing through all of the high-ticket Jeopardy! History questions on the show. Bruce Lee is going undercover as a spy in a high-stakes thriller. He's got what it takes for that role. And Albert Einstein tries his hand at acting as well. Who knows, he might have the right formula as an actor. Wonder Woman would be a great psychological counselor. In this picture, she looks like a good listener. Since Barbie analyzes Ken's thoughts and moods frequently, she probably qualifies as a counselor as well. Using split screen in Midjourney, we have a fun way to portray alter egos. Here are the alter egos of Wonder Woman and Spider-Man hero and villain. I really like this one. Now, let's look at people as if they were animals. First, Albert Einstein as a puppy. It's all in the pose with Einstein's pictures. Next, Cleopatra as a puppy. I love the outfit. The Terminator as a cat is pretty scary. Nice kitty! With Midjourney, you can also imagine one person playing the role of another, such as Catwoman being the Flash. This one works great. Now, Albert Einstein as Superman. Einstein really rocks the Superman cape. Bruce Lee as the Incredible Hulk. I can see that. And Barbie as Wonder Woman. Hey, that could really work. Finally, let's imagine persons as inanimate objects, like Iron Man as a long-haul diesel truck and trailer. That looks awesome. And the Terminator as an automobile. Of course, we have to widen that picture. I want to cruise in that car. If you didn't have a chance, take a careful look at how Midjourney composed each image. Each new role selected for an individual often affected the pose and facial expression of the person, even though fictitious. The role-directed image compositions also affect depth of field. Thanks for reviewing these imagined roles with me. Please consider liking the video so I can bring more AI tutorials and examples your way. Be sure to pick up your free document with these prompts at the link in the description area. Thanks for your interest and your support. See you soon. Bye for now.